What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the Money Talk Show TV. I'm your host, the Money Coach, and today we're talking about something that's been on my mind for a while. The topic of today is how celebrities and hip hop artists are making better financial decisions than what is portrayed in the industry. They be trying to set us up. Now, we all know the typical image of a successful hip hop artist: flashy cars, big chains, and designer clothes. But what if I told you that there's a new trend in the industry? A trend of smart financial decisions and investments. Now let's start this off with Money Man. Now, according to Money Man quote, I think it's important for the people in the hip hop industry to take control of their financial future. That's why I invested in stocks and crypto and even got my sign-on bonus in Bitcoin. That's right, folks. Money Man was one of the first hip hop artists to receive his sign-on bonus in Bitcoin. He's not alone either. More and more celebrities and hip hop artists are turning to the stock market and crypto to secure their future, maybe their financial future. Now, Jay-Z and Nas, along with 50 Cent, are just a few examples of successful hip hop stock investors. But it's not just hip hop artists who are getting into the action. Even government officials are receiving pay in crypto. Now, government officials have been accepting payments in crypto. Now, according to them, the government officials, I think it's important for government officials to stay up to date with the latest technology and financial trends. That's why I've chosen to receive my pay in crypto. And it's not just about making money, it's also about investing in causes and businesses that are important to our community. As you can see, celebrities and hip hop artists are making smarter financial decisions than ever before. And it's not just about buying expensive cars and big chains no more. It's about securing a better financial future for themselves and the community. So there you have it, folks. A new trend in the hip hop industry: smart financial decisions and investments. And remember, it's never too late to start investing in your future. And if you want to learn more about stocks and crypto, you know where you can find me. I'm right here, Money Talk Show TV. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Help me out. Spread this word of investing. And let's get that financial freedom together. I'm the Money Coach, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace.